Hey guys, it's me, Brittany, and today's video is going to be a really fun one. This is a new skincare, hair care, makeup, lifestyle brand that I recently discovered actually through YouTube. Some of my favorite YouTube content creators have spoken about this brand, and I felt like, you know what? Let's try it out and see how it is. It is called Beauty Pie. So I'm going to do a really light overview about Beauty Pie before I unbox this package, but I'm definitely going to have it linked below. So if you want to just read about what they stand for, how the brand is, how they're getting these amazing discounts on these beauty products, definitely linked below will be all of the details on that. I'm just going to give you my little overview from it. So I have a degree in fashion and business, and of course in my degree, I am fully aware that there's a lot of retail markups from middleman, from just being in a brick and mortar store. There's all these up fees that is on to all of your favorite clothing, skincare, makeup, any and everything. There is a markup. So Beauty Pie's goal is to eliminate that ridiculous markup, and they give a few examples on their website how much a face serum costs at Sephora, Nordstrom, etc., and how much it's going to be at Beauty Pie, because there is no middleman, there is no crazy retail markups through Beauty Pie's website. The only catch is you have to have a membership to get those discounts. You can still buy the items without the membership, but you're going to be paying a higher rate. So on my Beauty Pie's homepage right now, when I go online, it's doing a 60-day free trial, which is what I've signed up for. And after the 60-day trial, you will be enrolled into a year-long membership for $59. I have seen some content creators with a promo discount code of $10 off your membership, so you can always look into that. But what I am doing is a 60-day free trial. So what Lydia Millens, who's one of my favorite YouTubers, recommended was go on Beauty Pie's website and spoil yourself. Just buy a bunch of the items that you think will be fun to try out and just have a little spa day, treat yourself moment and try everything. So that's what I did. In this box, there is 15 items. I am actually going to be making a part 2 for this video. Today's video, I'm just going to show you the items, tell you what they're called, have them linked below. But the part 2 video, which will be coming up really soon because I have been trying these items out already. So some stuff I already kind of have a thought and opinion on, but the part 2 will be all the details, the pros, the cons, how much it's worth, how much I paid for it, and if I would buy it again, and if I think Beauty Pie is worth getting a membership for. So today, let me just go ahead and show you all of the items that I purchased in my first Beauty Pie haul. So I'm going to show you everything that was in the box, starting with this item. It is called the Fliptopia. This is like a basic foot, heel, ankle cream. I'm going to try this out because of the next item I'm going to show you. I feel like they go hand in hand, but this was at a really great price. So if it does work well, it might be worth investing more in. It does have a really nice smell to it too, so very spa-like. But Fliptopia's first one, the Dr. Glycolic foot mask. It's one of those socks that you put on, you wear for like about an hour, and then over time, within like, it says on the back, 3 to 7 days, it will kind of like make your feet peel, and then you'll have like baby soft, super smooth feet. It does warn you on the back to be aware that your feet will be peeling, and if you are doing any type of event, you may not want to wear these beforehand. So I plan to actually put these on tonight because I'm not doing anything for the next few days, and I do want to see if they really work. So this is one of the items too. Next is this body lotion. It is in the scent Brazilian Lime, Fig Leaves, and Tea. They do have this in a perfume as well, which I think is kind of cool. It just sounds like it's going to smell really, really earthy. I actually have it right here, so I will be trying this out over the next few days. It is in a green bottle. It looks beautiful. We will see how it works, and I'll let you know in the next video. how these products all hold up. The pros, the cons, the goods, the bads, and everything in between. Then I did grab up a few makeup items. This says it's from the Italy lab, which is really cool. It is a mascara. This is in the shade Brownie, which is a brown tone. The reason why I grabbed this up was because it reminded me of my Chanel mascara. Whenever I saw the actual component that the wand is in, it just reminded me of it, and I felt like, okay, I'm gonna compare the two, just see if they both are very similar in style and possibly formulation. So we will try that out, and I'll let you know all the details in a Now, this is one of the products that Lydia, who is one of my favorite YouTube creators, I watch all of her vlogs. She has been talking about this product a lot. She says everyone who works on her team, they all go through bottles of these. This is the Japan Fusion Elixir. I am not too sure what it's about. I haven't really read too many details. I mainly just grabbed it up because Lydia said to, and I want to try it and see if, you know, what she says is so great about it truly is. This product is the Jeju Daily. This is just a hydration mist. You can wear it any time of the day, morning, noon, or night. You can wear it under makeup, over makeup. It is just a really good mist, and it was at a really great price point. It's from the Japan lab, so I will be trying this out with both makeup on as just like a little bit of a dewy glow from a makeup refresh, and then I'll also try it on bare skin just to see if it has any type of texture or tackiness to it. Another makeup item, in fact, it is sitting over here because I am testing it out right now. This is the Beauty Pie Loose Translucent Powder. It is in a soft focus hyaluronic acid powder that's also mattifying. It is a very interesting powder. You do have like the little push right here that will pop some of the product out. I'm a big fan of powders. After I put foundation on, I instantly apply some sort of powder. Typically it's a pressed powder, but I wanted to see how a loose powder worked, if it really does hold all day and keep my makeup looking fresh and keep everything in place. So I'll let you know in the future how this works. Another item from the Dr. Glycolic line, those foot little mask is from the Glycolic line. This is the micro peel pads. It kind of sounded like the Dr. Dennis Gross daily peel pads, but whenever I opened the product up, it reminded me more of my First Aid Beauty pads. So I'm going to kind of compare it to both and see if it is a very similar item to the Dr. Dennis Gross, or if it leans more towards some of the other skincare little micro peel pads that's out on the market. Another item that Lydia has raved about, it is the Uber Youth Neck and Chest Serum Spray. It's such a cool product because it's literally serum in a spray bottle that is designated just for your chest and neck area. There is before and after photos on their website of this product, so you kind of see the before and after of this one woman's neck area, and it just looks so tightened. It looks very youthful, and if it really does work like that, sign me up. Another item, if it truly does work, I will be a customer for life, is this Uber Youth Eye Cream. The reviews are incredible, so it'll be linked below if you want to read up on this one in particular, but the reviews are awesome. That's what sold me to it. And it also reminds me of a high-end eye cream. I'll talk about it whenever I do the overall review of this product, what it reminds me of, but I'm really hoping this works great. Beauty Pie does have other items other than skincare and makeup. They have body care, they have supplements, they have hair care, and they have fragrances like candles, diffusers, and perfumes. So I did grab up a candle. This is in Fresh Fresca, Patchouli, and Moss. It says it's made in France. The inside of it also says it's a soft, clean, feminine scent with essential orange oil, Fresca, rose, and jasmine. I have already opened it, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is in this gorgeous green jar. I really hope this burns well because it was the most expensive item in my order. This was over $21, but of course the retail markup, what it would cost in, like, for example, Nordstrom, this candle was super expensive. So I really hope it does stick to its like luxury, pristine sort of review about it. If it burns slow, I'll be very happy. That's my biggest thing when it comes to candles. I like a good candle that has strong fragrance, but it's a slow burner. I do not like candles that after 2 or 3 uses, all the wax is gone. I like the ones that last a long time, that I could truly enjoy over time. So this is beautiful packaging, hoping it works great, and I'll let you know. Now this product right here, I haven't seen a lot of content creators talk about it. It is the super active capsules. I really like this idea though of all of your serum being in little capsules that are biodegradable. This is made, I think, with seaweed, so it's safe for the environment, but it has the exact amount that you need for your face, and it's easy to open. You just apply it and you're good to go. So this has been sold out forever and a day, and whenever it came into stock, I went ahead and grabbed it up. There is 60 capsules in this glass jar. It is your choice. It says you could use it both morning and night or just one time a day, so you can pick morning or night. I'm probably going to use it one time a day. I've shown you so many skincare products I need to continue trying out, where over time maybe I could devote to using this both morning and night, but currently I'm going to just use it one time a day to see how well it works and what the like dry down finish is on my skin. Now this item right here, the Super Drops, I was really interested in it. I haven't heard anyone speak about it on YouTube. It is the Instant Flash Facelift little serum. If this works, or I don't have to get Botox for a while, I would be such a huge fan. So it sounds great. I hope it works great. I'll let you know. Fingers crossed. Now the very last item, which might be the best for last, I'm going to tell you why. I would save this little tidbit of information for the next video, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you now. This is the Super Retinol. This is a hand cream. What it reminds me of is the Chanel hand cream. It's in a white bottle, just like the Chanel hand creams in a white bottle. It's a fraction of the cost, but literally the description of what this is supposed to do is just like the Chanel one. So how great would that be if you can get literally a Chanel style hand cream for a fraction of the cost? I'm just gonna try it out. I'll let you know in the future. I'll show you my hand now. You can see my hand in a few weeks after I try this out. So this is all 15 of the Beauty Pie products that I purchased. I just wanted to spoil myself, do a big order, a little bit of everything from makeup to skincare, and then of course a candle and some body lotion. I'm planning to do another order, so if you are watching this video and you are a Beauty Pie member, let me know what your favorites are below, or if you know someone that has a Beauty Pie account and they can tell you what the best products are, definitely the comment section is for you guys. There's so many items. Like, let me just go ahead and say that if you go to Beauty Pie's website, just click view all of the skincare. It is so many items. Even their makeup area, they have everything from eyeshadows to lip products to foundations and concealers, so many different things. So I'll probably do a second order, and I'm gonna go on ahead and keep trying these out. If there's any items in this order that I feel like is a must-have, I'll go on ahead and get a second just to have for back stock for in the future. But I'm gonna get some more things to try out so I can tell you guys more details of different items in the future. Of course, like I said before, Beauty Pie is one of those type of memberships that you have to pay a yearly membership fee, which is $59, and then you'll have access to this incredible line of products at a really great discount. I'm currently in the 60-day free trial, so I'm going to grab up a few more items before that membership kicks in. Just make sure I like everything. The next time I make a video that's about Beauty Pie will probably be in exactly a week from this one. I've been using a select few of these for a while, so I'm already getting my fill. I'm going to write out my thoughts and opinions, so whenever I make that video where I show you guys a product possibly in action, and I'll give you all the details of the best and the worst and what I would recommend, or if I would even recommend Beauty Pie at all. So thank you again for watching. As always, everything's linked below, and the comment section is for you guys. Let me know what some of your favorites are if you are a Beauty Pie member, or if you've ever heard of Beauty Pie. Just let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.